Good morning, students. Today I am going to present the topic Android SQLite database integration. This application demonstrates how to store, retrieve, and display data locally in an Android application using SQLite. SQLite is a lightweight database system that is built into Android and it is widely used for offline data storage. This Android SQLite database integration mainly focused on integrating SQLite database functionality into an Android application. This application allows users to store employee information and retrieve it whenever required. It demonstrates basic database operations such as insert, view, delete, all CRUD operations we can perform using this Android SQLite database. And the next one, SQLite. SQLite is a lightweight relational database management system that is embedded within Android devices. Next one, key features. This is a mainly self-contained database system. There is no separate server required, zero configuration, and easy to use. It mainly supports asset properties for reliable transactions. It is portable across different platforms. Next one, why use SQLite in Android? SQLite is mainly preferred because it provides local data storage and fast access to information. The main advantages is it mainly works on offline. It stores large amount of structured data. It is mainly faster than text files or XML storage. It supports SQL queries for efficient data management. Next one, architecture. This application uses three main components: SQLite Open Helper, SQLite Database, and Cursor. These three components work together to create, manage, and access data stored in SQLite. So next one, core classes and methods. The main classes and methods are SQLite Open Helper. On create method, it is used to create the database. On upgrade, update the database structure whenever the version changes. SQLite database perform the following operation: insert, query, update, delete, and all operations. It can perform the required operations. These methods form the foundation for all database operations performed in an Android SQLite. So the next one comes the main user interface, which is activity main.xml. It defines the user interface screen. So main components of, and the next one, main activity Java. This is the main controller class of an applications. It mainly connects UI components with Java code, handles button click events, saves data into SQLite database, open the detail screen to display, store data, save the process, and user can enter the data, save button is list, clicked, data is passed to the database class, success or failure messages displayed. So main activity acts as a bridge between the user interface and the database. And the next one, details XML. This layout contains a list view. It displays all records stored in an SQLite database. The list view provides a simple way to display multiple records retrieved from the database. Next one, details program. This activity fetches and displays all stored data. The main working principle of this details program is retrieve the data using cursor and store retrieve records in an array list, display the data using array adapter and list view. When the user clicks the view data, this activity load all records from the database and display them in a readable format. And the next one, database class. This class extends SQLite Open Helper and manages all database operation. Database information, database name. Here users.db, table name, user table. Table fields are ID, name, location, designation, method. Methods are insert data, get all data. Presentation line. This class is responsible for creating the database, inserting records and fetching data whenever required. Next, manifest XML program. So this manifest XML file register all application activities, registered activities, main activities, and detail activities. Defines application entry point, allows Android to navigate between screens. Without registering these activities in manifest file, Android cannot launch or switch between screens. The next one comes output. This slide shows the execution result of the application. User can enter name, location, and designation and save the data operations and click view data, displays all records. The output confirms that the SQLite database is successfully storing and retrieving the data. So here the main input is username is Kalai, and then the place is here Bhavani, and then what is the designation, name, location, designation whenever they enter, and then by using save button we can save the data and then we can view the data. So similarly we can perform update operations and delete operations also. The main conclusion part here is this project mainly demonstrates how an SQLite can be integrated into an Android application for efficient local data storage. Through this project, we have learned database creation, data insertion, data retrieval using cursor, and displaying record using list view. SQLite is a powerful solution for developing offline and Android applications that require structured data management. Thank you.